Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with these little fella. This is the Angry Baby Bird by Alliance Design. Really cool one, and we're gonna see if we can improve the action of this little guy right over here. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started. So I think we're gonna need what is this, like a T8 probably, and a T8 for the handle, like so. Okay, and the T8 for the other handle screw, which doesn't want to come off, but it's all right. And T8 also for the pivot, which is a spinning pivot. Therefore, we're gonna need another tool to keep the pivot from spinning. So just hold it in place like this, and nice and gently on the other side, just hold it together strongly and just unscrew the pivot like so, and this should be coming apart, as well as this pivot right over here, and this scale and everything should come just apart like so. Stop in. All right, done. Then we're gonna need just one alcohol swab, like one of these guys, which opens up, and we can actually appreciate the ceramic ball bearings, caged, nice. Ceramic detent ball, very cool. So these can go here, and let's just clean up the blade from the pocket lint and whatever it's around. Just cut myself, look at that, nice and sharp. Very good, Fab, good job. All right, at least I have some alcohol right over here. So nice. So we can check out the construction. We can see that there's a nice stop pin right over here, and we're gonna just put it back, if we are able to, in its own position, like so, and just cleaning out all this area, nice and clean. You've got Alliance Design logo engraved, I would say. Nice carbon fiber backspacer, washers, hardened washers, because these are titanium scales, and of course you don't want ceramic ball bearings rubbing up against the titanium. It's gonna wear it out pretty quickly. Therefore, what you're gonna do, boom, stainless steel insert washers. Very good. All right, let's go and put this guy back together. You've got those ball bearings in, and you've got 1, 2, and 3 small drops of nano oil, 10 weight, like so. And we're gonna do just one. I'm gonna do the blade like this, and just a small tiny drop of 85 weight nano oil on the detent, because I found that is working wonders. And let's see, just another couple drops of our 10 weight nano oil for the bearings, and this is done. And then you've got your presentation scale right there. And let me see, this guy over here. So pivot is back in, like so. Backspacer in as well. handle screws are back in position. Very good. This is a little bit too tight for sure. Let's see if we're gonna need 2 screwdrivers. Looks like yes. You're gonna need 2. So that is 1. That is 2 right over here. And slowly, slowly, because the pivot is not spinning. Here we go. So let's check. Blade is actually a little bit off center. Yeah, it's not that good. No, it's not centered, so we're gonna do maybe a little bit more. Oh yeah, now we are in business. Just a little bit of blood, guys, nothing too crazy. Nice and snappy action, I have to say. Really cool, guys. There's a lack of detent ball ramp, which is causing just a little bit of a hard step. But we don't have any blade play. We have a centered blade, and we have a nice action, actually. So let me clean just the blood a little bit from the scale, and we are good to go. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.